Hello and welcome to Promo Noise. I'm your host Alex Morin and I have an unbelievable product review for you today. But before I get started, please do me a favor and subscribe to this channel because we're always bringing you awesome product reviews. Now, I promised something spectacular today, and it's Choco-Vana's chocolates! Promotional chocolates! Choco-Vana. Half of chocolate and half of Nirvana. Nirvana means pleasure. Oh yes, ultimate pleasure. So Choco-Vana makes pure Belgian chocolate. Why do I emphasize the word pure? Because it's different than compound chocolate. Do you want to know the difference? Okay, I'm going to tell you. Pure chocolate means that it's made with cocoa mass and cocoa butter, whereas compound chocolate is made with cocoa powder and vegetable fats, such as you're going to find soy oil, coconut oil, palm oil in there, because they're less expensive to procure than those beautiful ingredients like cocoa mass and cocoa butter. Now, the other cool thing about pure Belgian chocolate is it requires a technical skill to be able to pull it off. And we're talking about the cooling and the heating of temperatures, and when you get that finished product, it's glossy, it's beautiful, it showcases wonderfully, and when you crack the chocolate, you hear it go crack. That is the sign of fabulous chocolate, and that is pure Belgian chocolate delivered to you by Choco-Vana, who is a Canadian manufacturer and has their plant right here in Canada, something which most promotional product chocolate manufacturers cannot say. So I like what they're doing, and they have a passion for what they're doing. In fact, they love to customize everything. If you look at some of the examples in front of me here today, you're seeing customized boxes, you're seeing customized chocolate shapes, and that is the essence of what we can do here with this premium quality chocolate. So if you're a car manufacturer, your box can be customized to look like a car. The chocolates on the inside can look like a car as well. If you're a tool manufacturer, imagine opening that box up and getting a chocolate in the form of a handle, a chocolate in the form of an impact driver, and one in the form of a drill. Ah, I love it! Your only limitation is your imagination. Now, in addition to that, Choco-Vana does something that's really, really innovative. They've come up with this idea of an advent calendar that can be 100% customized. Let me tell you how. This particular calendar in front of me is made for an optical company. And the optical company had this idea that what they would do is they would showcase beautiful chocolate on the inside so that every day for 25 days, you'd be interacting with this particular brand. And not only that, but when you open the door to each calendar over here, each box, you're seeing a different form of glasses. How cool is that, right? So not only do I get that surprise of the chocolate every time I open it, but I get to see a different idea of what this company is actually manufacturing so that the next time I need glasses, hey, I've got a pile of ideas in my mind. Now, I've also seen it used for wedding invitations. You put out a box, it's got a beautiful insert, and it says, all we need for our journey is a little sweetness and a little love. Please join us on August the 30th for our wedding ceremony. Sincerely, blah and blah, right? How cool is that to be able to send a wedding invitation with customized chocolate in there? I love this company. So one of the questions I had for the owner of the company was, well, what do you do in the hot summer months? Is this stuff gonna melt if I have it delivered to my door? And he says, absolutely not. We expedite all of our shipping so that it's not hanging around some warehouse for a few days and melting. In addition to that, we insulate the packaging, and when it's crazy hot, we're putting cool pads on top as well to keep it nice and cool. They're thinking of absolutely everything. Man, I love this company. They're doing so many things great. Lead time is about 2 to 3 weeks. Everything is customized. You want to put an insert card on the inside of your chocolate box, you can do that. And there are 3 types of chocolate you can use as well. How about some white chocolate? How about some dark chocolate? Or some milk chocolate? And they can even add flavor to that beautiful Belgian chocolate if you desire. They are thinking of everything. I am loving this company. I am loving their innovativeness. I am loving the way they use their chocolates. And now, I gotta tell you, it's time for me to eat some chocolate. But before I do, let me tell you that I'd love you to subscribe to this channel so we can keep on bringing you cutting-edge ideas. And if you liked this video, please hit like, and we will like you back. Hey, thanks so much, and let's keep making beautiful noise together. crack. I love my job. I love my job. I wonder if it's possible to only review chocolate. I don't know if it is or not, but that'd be a cool job. Man, this stuff is so good. Oh, you're gonna love it.